Hey folks, this is Steve here. You know, I have videos about how I've used a 3D printer to be able to play again, and it occurred to me the other day that I could actually 3D print a barrel. So I did that, and we're going to do a very quick just listening test. Okay, here's a barrel, 3D printed, PLA, same internal dimensions as the stock barrel. Total cost, $1.50. Let's see what it sounds like. All right, let me go ahead and change out the barrels. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the stock barrel that came with the Uebel Clarinet, not my replacement barrel, because that would not be fair necessarily, because I spent a fair amount of money on a replacement barrel, because I needed a 64 millimeter barrel, and the Uebel came with a 65 and a 66. By the way, the reason why I needed a 64 barrel is I play a BD7 on this with a Leger 2.75 European cut, and I bought the 13. Turns out that if I wanted to play with my regular barrel, I would have had to buy the not 13. But okay, here we go. Let me get set up here. Okay. Okay. Can you tell the difference? I'm actually looking down, so looking up at the camera. Okay, well, I will tell you that intonation-wise, both barrels are about the same in terms of being able to play in tune throughout the range. So what's the point? The point is just, I don't know, I felt like asking myself, what would a 3D barrel sound like if I printed it? I want to tell you, PLA, 0.2 millimeter thickness, 75% infill. Didn't smooth out the board, didn't make any changes whatsoever. Got to remember to look at the camera when I'm talking. No changes at all, just printed it, threw it on. Now, can you tell a difference? You tell me. I will tell you though, I would not play this 3D barrel. Why? There's a lot written about food safety of 3D printed materials. Now, I felt comfortable doing the test because after all, the barrel is some distance from my mouth, and I'm not actually ingesting the barrel, and I'm not swabbing out the barrel to contaminate the rest of my clarinet, and I'll clean the tenons and the corks. So the issue about whether I would use one of these long term would require a lot more investigation than that. Probably have to change to a stainless steel nozzle, PLA, probably coat the inside with food safe epoxy, but that's really not the point. The point is, can you tell a difference? My replacement barrel, I think, cost, what, $165 to get a 64 millimeter barrel? You tell me. Thanks, folks. Bye. Oh, one more thing. I did a test using a different different microphone. This is the microphone with the webcam, and I have, of course, other microphones. I didn't notice that much difference to compensate for the inconvenience. So here you go. Thanks a lot, folks. Bye.